outside today, baby. We outside today.
I wish he could. Oh, look at him. Damn!
Before everything just went.
Y'all, welcome back to another video. Oh my god. As you guys can probably hear, I sound very congested. I'm coming off a cold, bro. I'm really coming off a cold. And I wanted to hit this meet because Han from Tokyo Drift is gonna be there. I don't want to miss it, and hopefully I can get him to sign the dashboard because I think that'd be sick. But I haven't been driving my car in like the past 4 days because I've been sick. I just been at home, bro, like dying, but feeling a bit better now. I know I gotta get some content out for you guys because I've been slacking and I'm sorry, but your boy's feeling a little bit better. So let's try to get to this meet real quick. But you know what we gotta do first. It's a cold start for real because it hasn't been started up in 4 days. Cold start. Damn, cold start for real. It doesn't even sound that loud to me because my nose is congested. I swear my ears are popped. I can't hear anything. It doesn't even sound that loud to me right now. It sounded like a warm start, but I'm pretty sure it was loud. And right now we're actually headed to the homie Big G's house. He's actually riding shotgun with me. But bro, I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice. Like, I am congested. I am coming off the cold still, but I wanted to bring you guys some content. I did have FOMO for yesterday's event, Cali Creamin'. I unfortunately didn't go to that, which sucks because there was a lot of heat there. I didn't go. We're here, we're outside today, baby. We outside today. We feeling a little better, you know, trying to be outside so I can get some fresh air because I hate being stuck in the house and 4 walls, bro. Like, I hate it. Alright fam, so we have made it to the Hundreds headquarters. It's right across the street. We just got parked and settled over here, looking clean or whatever. This Toyota's clean though. Right here, he's Corolla. This is fire. Then we got Han, look, he's right there. Cool lad, dude, you know what I'm saying? He's right there. He's probably signing some cars. Lucky. I wish he could sign my car. Have him come across the street real quick.
I'll sign that shit for you.
Yay! That's all I need. I just need a signature. But now there's a pretty fire heat in here. Let's get inside over these gates and see what we got. Yeah, I'll come back. But the homie Joe is here too. Sheesh, in the Liberty Walk. What a guy. R32 looking beautiful, man. Damn. This thing looks so good. And you can definitely tell he tracks it. Too clean, bro. I want one. Me too.
But honestly, dude, I'll get the 34.
Yeah, I think everybody loves the 34. That's why it's just a clean, iconic car overall. Look, that's Jeep fire. SMT. Hey, bro, I've been telling the vlog, bro.
Again, bro.
I know, the red one that we saw in the last video, literally, guys. We saw one of these in red, and we see another one in this beautiful matte silver. Looks so mean and aggressive. I'm telling you guys, these are sleepers and they're beasts, bro. They're beasts. R35, Supra next to the B58, sick. Han's over here. That's why there's a crowd over here. But I wish he could sign my Supra, but my Supra ain't in here. Damn, Toyota Supra right here. Sick guy. Clean vato. Nah, that's funny though, cause Han's like right here, and my view is right there. Oh. And look at him, bro. He really just a chill guy for real. I always think about this for celebrities, and I'm always like, bro, it must like be tiring just taking pictures and everything like that. And I know he doesn't see it like that. I know he sees it as like, I'm showing support. These are people who like watch the movie and whoop-de-whoop. But I'm sure deep down inside, he's like, I just want to walk and just kind of enjoy this show. You know what I mean? So it's like crazy. So he's just trying to look at cars. You know what I mean? He's just trying to look at the whips. That's it. Chill guy for real. And like such a crowd that he brings. Crazy, right? It's the R34 wagon for me though. Ooh, look at the wheels. Those wheels are fire. A Stega. Oh man, I am hella zoomed in. Yeah, 86 looking clean. Look at the Datsun. Looking like a Mimi. R32 right here. Fire. Got the Sylvia, the S15 with the S2000, the Toyo Supra. I think this is the 50th anniversary one. And we got, like I said, 2 Hakos. Well, I think that's a Hako, and this is, I have no idea. Someone educate me, please. This is, we saw this one last time.
And this one is crazy. Cause look at the rear. It looks identical to a GTR. Like you could just see it. And then we got this one. Looks absolutely beautiful as well. Damn. I look, I wish I parked in here so Han can sign my car. Cause I don't think he's gonna walk over there and sign anything. And one, that's his car over there, that orange and white one, the Z. Damn, the M5, baller. Look at that front end. Damn, that thing's slammed. Looks good. So I believe that is Han's Z right there, looking clean in that orange and white one. I don't know if all three of them are his, but I know this one is his for sure. This black R34 is so clean too, man. I think this is a GTT though. Just by the body panel, you can tell it's not wide like the GTR's R34 is, and you can tell by the front fender as well. But still clean build overall. You know, they got the internet plane. Those are vibes. The booper out of here. Two Supras back to back. Then we got the GTT. Pretty sure a lot of these cars are making their way to that Carcella one out in Santa Ana. I'm pretty sure, because a lot of them are making their way over there. And we always see this Porsche on the blisters with the white on white. So now they got a line formed up to take a picture with the one and only Han, you feel me? Look at him, bro. He's such a chill guy. Chill ass dude, man. For real though.
Okay. Yeah. Did you check like that side already?
Nah, I haven't even gone in there.
I feel like maybe like way down there. I don't know about there. I haven't gone there yet.
Alright, I'll see right now. I'll probably bust a U-turn anyway.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, big player. You got a sick spot though. I saw it.
Where we at, Clips?
So we're at the second spot now. We came to the Breckies Car Club. It's a Carcella.
That's a little dark, bro. My bad.
No, you're good. You're good. That's the other homie right here. Fuck you, dude. No, fuck you, dude.
What's going on? What's up, bro? I better get paid for this.
Yeah, we came to the Carcella basically.
Yeah, Carcella. Oh, my bad.
Barely started, bro.
Regular traffic.
As you can tell, there ain't no damn parking right now. Look, the homie Joe just pulled up too. Let me get in front of you. Let me bust the U-turn.
Same time too.
Bruh, it is no parking. I already went all the way. I think we're gonna. I seen some over there too, so we could probably try like the very end. See what's up. Alright. We're trying to find parking. So yeah, we're trying to find some parking. As you can saw, the homie Joe's in the back of us, but yeah, there ain't no parking, so we got to force ourselves somewhere in the back over there. Let's see what we can find.
Yeah, it's that Z again.
Bro, it looks lit though. It hasn't started yet. I think it's supposed to start 7 minutes ago. Probably when I get outside, we're gonna get mic'd up and you guys can hear it a little better. Probably because the music will start. Yeah. Well,
There's a lot of same cars, but just not the other meet.
yeah, a lot of the cars that we saw over there.
My boy's stressing right now.
Not that either. We're just finding parking. We're just trying to look for parking at least.
What the? Oh hell no! That used to be you back then, Jake. Put some respect, bro. Respect all builds. Thieves, where you at?
Where you trying to park? I'm like, might as well, no? Alright, fuck it. I'll let you know. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the other meet, and as you can see, we got some supercars. We got an R8, Huracan, another R8, Porsche, and the McCleasy right over here. Damn. But there's a lot of cars, bro. It's probably like, I'm hella overwhelmed with cars right now. Like, there is way too many. So, I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, but I don't think I'm gonna get everything, bro. I don't think so. But look at the McCleasy, 570S. Alright guys, as you guys can see, bro, there's just, like I said, hella cars. I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to film. I think I'm gonna just make my way over here somehow and see what we can find. It look good, man. It look good.
The Advent GTs are fire. I love those wheels. They look good. It's fire. And that Hondeezy over there, fire too. There's gonna be a lot of heat, bro. You guys already seen the homie Sean's right there. Look good. Got the E92, then the E90 right in front of it. Same color as well. That looks nice, man. I like it. I like it. 2 V8s. I'm surprised we found any. Hipster, what are you doing here? So, this is sick. The McCleasy 720S. Damn. Yo, check out this E30, bro. The M3. Damn, this thing sounds nice and looks good too overall. So they got a lot of vendors here, like S3 suspension, a couple of other vendors. They got more cars in here too. We're gonna check it out. Damn, let's go see inside here. Hey, y'all, so the music is really loud, bro. So we're just gonna, briefly walk what we got through here. Hondeezy, Porsche GT3 RS, Honda, another Honda, Supra, RX-7, molded wide body S2000. There's a lot of heat in here. You guys know this Honda, this thing is clean. I know the audio's gonna be crazy on this one. Check out the Impala though. Yeah, this is gangsta, right? I need me one of these. You see the switches? I want me a 6-fold one day. They just look so timeless. We got Tim's car. If you guys don't know Tim, Dustin Williams, our homie. This is his car right here. Sick. Oh, Tim's right there. What the fuck? Alright, so we came back over here because I had to move my car because we were about to leave. But bro, there is still so much more to show you guys, but it is like a lot. It's just so much, I don't even know what to film. We got a whole row of Corolla hatches, some Supras, a red, a yellow, and then the homie Joe parked over there, the black one. We got the other homies right here, a purple and a white. Damn. Hey, you recording me? You taking a picture of me, bro? This guy taking a picture of me? No. Alright, I forgot to even mention to you guys that these wheels were the black ones that I tried to fit on my Supra when I did it with the homie Izzy. And he sold them to this homie and he triple chromed them. And damn, it makes me want to triple chrome my wheels. But I don't know, man. I don't know. It's baller, but fuck, I don't know. I think an all white finish would look better though. But damn, it looks so good. Well, it's starting to look like a lot of people are starting to leave right now. But it is causing a big traffic jam, as you guys can see. But damn, bro, look at the homie Sean's car with that ski box. It looks sick. I want one of those roof boxes. But we're gonna walk more down over there to see what else they got. But look at this R34, bro. Oh my god. It's a lot of JDMs, I'll tell you that. A lot of Hondeezys. A lot. Check out these little mini bikes, bro. Look at the little NOS bottle it has on the side. That's sick. These little bikes are dope. Damn, you guys know how I feel about the all white on white. Look how good it looks. Hey bro, any car white on white gets my approval because damn, it just looks good. As we walk more down, a lot of Hondas, guys, as we can tell, and see a lot of Hondas. Beautiful E30 over there. Oh, E92 white on white. Damn, that thing look good, man. Just look at this. Damn, that shit is nice. That looks really good. Really good. You guys seen this beautiful R34. Damn, look how beautiful it looks. That paint is just hitting. Everything looks so good too. The carbon wing, even it's purple, blue too. The whole thing too. Look at that carbon. And the white on white on the R32. Oh my. Please let me have, please. Can I have, por favor? Jeez. Like I said, guys, still so many damn cars and it's like overwhelming of cars. I don't even know what to film. I've been filming everything I can, but we're about to get up out of here before it gets way more hectic and harder to leave. Me and George just headed back to the valley, grab something to eat, and probably call it a day. But it is dope out here. So many damn whips, so many builds, so many Supras, half pink, half black. That's sick. And this is tough. Clean, bro. But yeah, majority of the build here is a lot of Hondas though, a lot. I don't know if this was just strictly JDM or not, and I just didn't see the flyer, but there was a lot of JDMs. Oh, we gotta showcase the homie Supra over here because this thing is nice. I'm jelly because he has the wing that I wanted. He has the Varus wing, and this thing is so damn nice. With the triple chrome TVs, you can't hate on it, but the Varus wing, this is like the only wing other than the Agile one that I would probably get because it just fits the Supra so well. Look at that. That rear end just looks so damn good. But yeah, we's up out of here now. All the boopers lined up. My voice is gone. And I'm just so congested too. The purple one, gee, right next to me. This thing's... Bro, check out this beautiful R34. You guys already seen it. He does the customer complaints. He said he watches the videos, bro. That's so sweet. Oh, is it? Damn. Yeah. Yep. Damn. That just sounds so nice. I need to make a love. Well, bro, he said he watched one of my videos. That's so sick. What the? He said he watched the video because of the interior lights on the Supra. Bro, that's sick. I did not expect, you know, him to even come across my videos. But he said he's seen one of my videos, which is crazy. Holy shit.
You're famous, Bob?
I'm famous. Man, I made it. I made it. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, yeah. Yep. So good. So we is back in the valley. I am about to go get some gas right now because I need gas, but I'm waiting on the homie George because he needed to go. Bro, that was a pretty dope turnout out there. That was my first time ever going to one of those meets. They had one before and it was crazy, so that's why I wanted to attend this one. And bro, it was crazy. Mainly JDMs though, a lot of Hondas, a couple of exotics, but a lot of JDMs though for sure. We don't know what we gonna eat right now. We gonna figure that out because I'm hungry. Man, it's beautiful out here right now. Nice and sunny. Anyways, we already finished eating, or at least I and George finished eating. I already dropped George off. I just didn't record any of it just because we were really hungry. I was tired and I was just like, I want to eat, so I didn't even vlog any of that. Yeah, we're back in the valley. I am headed home now. It was a dope day all around. I hope I got enough content for you guys for today. If not, I am sorry. I will work harder and better. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and be part of the family if you guys are not yet. Stay tuned because hopefully within the next couple of weeks I'll order that front bumper and we're gonna have a whole new like version of the Supra. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get that in a couple of weeks and it's gonna look so dope. I'm excited. This has been your boy Eddie.